Members of Oklahoma's task force came home late last week after being deployed to southern Texas to help during severe flooding. As you can imagine, those crews face dangerous challenges while working to save lives. Austin Brissett has the story.
Fast-flowing water, debris, and even wildlife. Oklahoma's Task Force 1 saw it all while helping out down in Texas.
We have a job to do, and we mentally just transition into focus mode.
Add in all the runoff into the water on top of 100+ degree heat, and it's a lot to deal with.
So we're working inside those dry suits, and so our internal temperatures are rising pretty fast.
Rescue team manager Stephen Long and the crew back on Sooner soil after 9 days around San Antonio. They've been to the Lone Star State the last 3 years, helping people trapped in the floods. This go-round, dealing with lurking creatures.
The Tilden area is known for its alligator population.
And you bet they found them. This is from a drone shot, scoping out an area where they saw 30 to 40 of them.
Naturally, working in the water, our situational awareness has to be on par.
And that's not all either.
They're talking about the rattlesnakes down there. They don't like to use the rattlers because the wild hog population eats the rattlesnakes. We're always one happy family working around each other.
A big help to do that, high-profile vehicles from the Texas National Guard.
So they'll take us down into the water as far as they can, then we just deploy the boats off.
He says it all comes back to their training here at Riversport. A world-class training facility in their own backyard. The team honing all the skills needed to accomplish tasks swiftly and safely.
And the Arkansas Task Force, comprised of Northwest Arkansas emergency managers and firefighters, were deployed to the same region that the Oklahoma Task Force worked in as well.